Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford Escape. Stock number is 18C735A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.